I need to see this house.
Okay, let me show you my humble abode. Welcome to my comfy couch.
I had to sit on this couch immediately.
Yes. Immediately.
Who needs a kitchen when you have this couch?
You're right. That's exactly.
I'm like, I think we should just film the whole show here.
We should film the whole show here.
Great, gorgeous.
I'm gonna get
Someone will bring us
takeout.
food.
We're never gonna
Okay,
cook.
gorgeous.
That's my life. But yeah.
Amazing. I heard we're making pasta.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pasta salad.
What kind of pasta?
Okay, so
pasta salad?
Pasta salad.
Have you been reading my diary?
Yeah. We're making a seafood pasta salad. I'm a Florida girl.
Oh, yes. Famously.
Famously so. My folks really love seafood. And this recipe is actually my late grandmother's recipe. R.I.P. Rest in peace to a real one, Jeannie.
Jeannie?
Jeannie. Her name is Jeannie.
Gorgeous.
And I know, right? And I actually hunted down this recipe, and my cousin Shatona was the only one who had it. So then I shook her, turned her upside down, and I shook her out, and I said, Shatona, give me the recipe.
Deep.
It was. Actually, she was just like, yeah, here you go, girl.
Yeah. It wasn't
that deep, but I'm a Sag, so I had to,
add the drama.
But they always have this recipe, like when we do holidays, when we do 4th of July.
Well, in the grand tradition of me and Food 52, we don't come empty-handed.
I love that because that is also very much a Black tradition. Don't you come into my home.
I would never.
With nothing in your hands.
Listen, it's also an Italian thing. Hey.
First
of all, I have like a few different kinds of pasta from the new Food 52 pasta line. So you know how you cook pasta, right?
No.
You don't?
I've actually never cooked pasta in my life. Oh
in
my
a pot!
God!
In a pot! We had to bring you a pot. Do you know these? They're gorgeous.
Yes!
Also a Food 52 favorite.
Oh,
it's a nice, deep, gorgeous blue. I hope it works. I mean, I think it'll work in your house.
Oh my God.
It's a stunning, dark navy.
Shall we make pasta?
Let's do it.
Let's make pasta.
I'm so ready. Let's go.
Welcome to my kitchen. All right, so the
Mom needs pasta salad.
Mom needs pasta salad.
You promised.
Okay. We're going to be making the pasta salad, seafood salad. Mm-hmm. It's super basic. A lot of the real cooking comes around blanching the seafood, cutting some veg, which is, oh my God, it's cut. Magic.
Oh my God, can you believe it?
How that happened. Anyway, who did
you
that?
I
did. Shh, don't tell anybody that's what I do.
So we have peppers and onions.
We have peppers, we have onions, we have celery.
Oh, that's celery. Okay.
She's kind of underrated.
That was a green pepper. Sorry.
No, but
celery.
here's a red pepper for you.
Green pepper. Okay, red pepper, celery, white onion. Hey.
So we're actually going to start with cooking the pasta.
Gorgeous.
And then we can...
What can we do?
Make the sauce.
Mayo.
We're going in with some mayo.
Gorgeous.
Could you grab me 1 lemon, please, from the bottom drawer?
I did roll it to get it nice and juicy. Okay,
that is true.
People
Check
know
that
this,
out.
but in case you don't, you want to roll that.
Let me see.
Get the juice going. She's juicy.
I've never cooked in my life before, actually, and I've been waiting for Dan to come and teach me how to do this stuff. Okay, let's see. I'm a Sag, baby.
You're Kia Cooks.
A lot of people think my last name is Cooks.
Okay, people think my first name is Grossy.
No.
They do.
I would still love you if your first name was Grossy.
You would love me.
If anything, I'd be like, that was incredible branding.
Yeah.
But no, my last name is Damone. And Kia Cooks just kind of... I had a bunch of other name ideas before Kia Cooks, some that are so incredibly embarrassing that I will tell you right now. Yeah. The Kitty Cooking Chronicles.
Oh, Kitty?
Kitty.
Like cats?
Yeah.
Okay. This is like, what's your AOL screen name?
It was very much AOL screen name energy.
You know, can I tell you something that I've learned?
Yes.
It's really nice to have like an Instagram and a brand name that has cooking or food in it when you're a cooking and food person.
Yes.
Because my handle, which is Grossy Pelosi, people are like, excuse me, what?
Excuse me.
It's kind of, I'm still in my kitty.
You're in your Kitty Cooking Chronicles bag right now? Alrighty, but no, we're going to spider her to here.
Okay, let's do it.
And then we're going to use the same water to do our scrimp and then our scallops. But honestly, while I'm doing that, you think I can ask you to...
do anything. I'm going to cut up the imitation of crab.
Yes, cut up the imitation of crab.
Imitation of crab.
I feel like imitation crab, it just has a particular
flavor.
sweetness to it that I really enjoy.
Gorgeous.
And I think it adds a campiness.
It does add, I mean, we are making pasta salad, which is camp.
Pasta
salad is camp.
Pasta salad is camp. So
Now,
then imitation crab is
here's
just
the
up
thing,
the camp.
I just want to remind everyone that's watching this, you can use any crab you want, right? Like you don't have to use
any
imitation crab. You can use fresh crab. You can use all the crab as a maximalist.
Absolutely. So, just as long as she's, giving shell-free and all of that, you can really do what you want.
Yeah.
If I'm being honest. And then while you do that, I'm going to work through this existential moment that I'm having in which I'm like, what do I do with this shrimp?
What would Jeannie do?
What would Jeannie do? Grandmother if she spoke to me now, I would actually freak out, but everyone leave. Okay. I'm scared. Okay. I think, actually... tail off. I'm just
tail off?
Yeah.
Right.
I'm like, sometimes I have to remember that I do this for a living, and I can just pull off tails and drop them in if I want. It's so funny because the second you drop them, they're already ready to.
Right, they're ready to go.
To come right out.
And you want to make sure they don't get too curled up.
Yes,
Look at this guy back here.
Let me see her.
I'm chopping.
That's the next level situation.
I mean, it's pretty Let
me check on the prep chef.
This is fine. It's not.
Oh god, imitation crab is so good.
It's so sweet and yummy.
That's so delicious. All right, let me get these
out of
here really quick.
Mm.
We have chopped. I did the.
Oh my god, you got them out already.
Yeah, no, I'm moving.
We're gonna be eating pasta salad so soon.
So soon.
So we have our mayonnaise.
We have our mayonnaise and our lemon juice.
What's next?
I'm gonna ask you to go in on those chives right there. And this might sound like a lot, but I want you to do at least half of that, and we'll see what that looks like, and then we'll try some more.
This is definitely I don't know is this small enough?
I think you could stand to go smaller.
I knew that was coming. She says from her chopped trophy. I don't know.
They should have given me a trophy instead of PTSD.
What did you get? Yeah, how did you do?
I won and I got $10,000.
You won?
Oh yeah, I won chop.
Oh my god, sorry, I didn't know that.
No, that's okay.
I wanted to learn it here. You won. We have a chop champion.
Chop champion.
What did you chop?
My appetizer, I did a crostini with ricotta and asparagus and this clam candy sauce.
Ooh.
Right, and then for my main dish, which I thought I was going to get eliminated off of this one, but I tried to do baked catfish and grits with cherry moonshine sauce.
Okay.
But I was unfamiliar with the type of catfish, and I thought that I could save time by baking it. So I went to go roast it, and then it shriveled up and got tight like a rubber band.
Oh no.
So then I said, I must have did something wrong. So I did the same thing again. And then I did it again, and it flopped again. But the moonshine mustard sauce was apparently good enough to save me, and then someone else's dish was horrendous.
Oh, I see.
So I won. And then I did strawberry shortcake.
Oh, I love strawberry shortcake.
Let's see. And then after you get those in, we're going in with our celery, our pepper, and our onion. This is very gorgeous. And now,
spatch.
Go ahead and give that a good mix, and then we can season some things here. How about that,
I love
right?
seasoning.
So the recipe calls for some smoked paprika and also some Old Bay.
Old Bay is just...
Old Bay, I feel like Old Bay is really going to take it where we need to go.
Yes, to the Old Bay.
To the Old Bay. It's giving maritime realness.
We've got an Old Gay and some Old Bay.
How old are you?
Guess. You're really looking.
35. Go up or down?
Up.
37.
40.
Who does the skin,
I
babe?
know.
It looks good.
I just stay a little tiny bit chubby. Proudly. Just a little chubby.
I love that.
Nature's filler.
Stay a little, exactly, then it's filler.
Yep. So we have smoked paprika.
Yeah, I'm
How much?
shook.
Dashes?
I would say you give maybe like
A
half a tablespoon.
Oh. Okay, so we are just Old Bay seasoning.
We are Old Bay
And
seasoning. All right, that feels like
good?
a healthy start. Because, of course, it's inevitable that more will be added into here. So this part is assembly. Let's go in with some noodles.
Are you ready for the imitation of crab? Yes.
Wow.
So pretty.
Imitate it, never duplicate it.
Ah!
Let's see.
Thank
Oh,
you,
we did
crab.
even taste this crab.
I'm sure it's delish.
Delish.
Sign me up.
Okay.
Okay, we're getting our protein.
We're getting our protein in. Some more noodles on the top.
Gorgeous.
Yeah. And then you.
Stop.
All
I'm
right.
freaking out. Okay, so you haven't done any salt or pepper, but there's salt in like the Old Bay.
There's salt in the
That wasn't
Old
a judgment.
Bay.
It was more
No.
just observing,
I was
sorry.
actually thinking about the same thing as well. Because we started, there's salt in the Old Bay.
There's salt in the Old Bay, but we can taste
But
this here.
we could taste it, but I usually always hit it with
A little.
some cracked pepper. I should
God, you look at
refill
the-
this
The
so that I
chive
can be super
distribution is
cute.
huge.
The chive distribution is lovely.
Wow.
What is it? Is it good?
It's good.
Yay! How do you feel about some black pepper cracking?
I think black pepper, and then I want to taste it. I'm tempted to squeeze the other half of this on, but
I think you should give in to temptation and
Okay.
squeeze it.
okay. This is for Jeannie.
This is for Jeannie.
Just getting a nice squeeze.
You're killing it.
Totally. Somehow no water came out
You're
of my
killing
fist. Like, am I
It just
holding
disappeared.
it that tight? Like,
It
what's
just disappeared.
happening?
You're
Whoa.
killing it.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh, and then I just put. Did you see what I just did?
What did you do?
I put all the seeds in the pasta because I wasn't paying attention.
I can see them.
It's fine. We gotta cut this.
Damn.
Okay. Can we put it in?
Yeah, go for it. Let's see.
She's got her moment. Gorgeous. Okay.
Wow.
How long? Like, minimum how long?
Minimum 30 minutes.
Gorgeous.
Minimum 30 minutes.
So we can go take a nap. I'm
You
ready for the
ready?
pasta salad. Mama, bring me my pasta salad.
Please stop. Here's your pasta salad, my dear.
Oh my gosh.
Right?
I'm so excited.
Likewise. Is there anything special that you and your family do beforehand, or do y'all just like?
Honey, we are like,
Sorry.
we don't even wait for people to sit down. Like,
You're like, honey, I would have been finished with this.
my grandfather, Bimpy, is 100. He is first at the table. Like, he's just sitting there being like, let's go.
Let's go.
What's taking so long?
Let's go. It's
Let's
taking
go.
so long.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get a little bit of
Right.
the invitation. I've got this.
Okay.
Grandma Jeannie's here.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Oh, that's good.
Stunning. All the spices, the lemon cuts through. It's the Old Bay though. It's so good.
Oh, this is so good.
I know. You said this is your Grandma Jeannie's recipe. Tell me more about where it comes from, when you would eat it.
I'm not sure where exactly this recipe comes from. I can say that my mother's side, grandma's side of the family are all from St. Augustine, which is just right there, on the coast and all of that, and
know
plenty
it.
of
I know it
seafood.
well.
You know
I've
her,
been
you know
there.
her well. Plenty of, school field trips, the vibes. So I feel like they've always been inclined to eat seafood. And then a lot of my family eating and things like that are around events,
Yeah.
and you need something to feed a whole bunch of people.
This'll do that.
Then you do a very campy pasta salad.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a little Parmesan on it. Hey. If you enjoyed this episode of The Secret Sauce with Grossy Pelosi, we would love if you could, do you know what to say?
Like, subscribe, and share.
Yes!
Yeah?
Yes! You nailed it!
Yay!
That's because you're a Gemini.
I get it.
I'm a Gemini.
You're a Gemini and I'm a Sag.
Exactly. So
Like-
all our Gemini and Sages, we need you to like and subscribe, especially because the energy
The energy, it's
is
cosmic.
It's gonna happen.
It's cosmic.